What is the great word, folks? I couldn't wait to even get out of the gym to share with you some of the experiences I've been having in the gym. I call them the Gym Chronicles. I should really do a daily series. And if you find these helpful, entertaining, educational, by all means, let me know and I'll do more of them. I'm going to call them the Gym Chronicles. And I had a conversation, actually somebody had a conversation with me at the gym. I'm going to make this short. And it really relates to how a lot of people are feeling and how they get paralyzed for taking action and how other people do things to them or how, they're not treated the right way. So I was doing triceps. I was doing overhead tricep extensions today in the gym with a dumbbell, which is one of my favorite exercises, by the way, because it really just opens up, elongates, and contracts that tricep so well. And so mid-set, come on, keep in mind, it's been 4 months since we've been in the gym, and I see a young gentleman, young guy, that I haven't seen in the gym for 4 months. And so he catches me at a vulnerable moment. I'm in the middle of my set, just got done with my set, catching my breath, kind of like I'm doing now. And he goes, "Man, it looks like you didn't skip a beat." I go, "Well, never intended to skip a beat. Like, this is a lifestyle, brother." And so you can tell. And again, I'm just going to be real. I'm going to be direct with you. He became the victim of the quarantine 15. There's no question he put on 15 pounds, maybe even a couple extra. It's just noticeable. And it's interesting to see how people they're showcasing the efforts they put in, or they haven't put in. Anyway, so I said, "Man," I go, "what's up with you?" I go, "What have you been doing while we've been in this COVID crisis?" He goes, "I haven't done anything, man. If this frickin' gym wouldn't have closed, man, I would have had some great momentum." I'm thinking to myself, "Oh, you're blaming the gym?" "Yeah, my wife's not supporting me, man. She's not helping me out with my meals." So obviously the walls crumbled on this guy. And so I'm thinking to myself, and I didn't say this, but I help teach and coach this. As a matter of fact, we just talked about this in our sprint ownership group last week. And I'm thinking to myself, and you can probably relate to this message, that we have to drop something called learned helplessness. Learned helplessness, it's believing that other people control our life, that we're helpless. And it's whether people do or it's basically how people treat us, how they talk to us, whether they do or don't give us opportunity is the direction that we go. And I have to tell you, people don't control your life. It's called learned helplessness. It's a negative, incorrect, flawed, faulty belief. Hear me when I tell you this, because it's so important. Other people do not control you and your life, regardless of the circumstances or the situation. So people do not control your feelings. They do not control your thinking or your thoughts. They do not control your beliefs, which are our deep roots, and they don't control our emotions. People don't do things to us. Things happen for us. So-and-so didn't help me here. I didn't catch a break there. I didn't catch a break here. So-and-so didn't help. Listen, get over it. There's other ways of rectifying a situation or an issue, and it starts all up in here. What if I told you that everything, every single thing in your life was happening for you, wasn't happening to you? Things don't happen to you, they happen for you. Perhaps this whole COVID or this quarantine or lockdown or social distancing is a way for us to strengthen our behaviors, maybe create greater discipline, to realize that, hey, I'm stronger than I thought I was. People don't do things to you. Things happen for you. People don't control your life. They don't control your world. And I'm thinking to myself, man, I get that more often than not, where people are blaming everybody else for their current circumstance and situation. And the truth is, the hardest thing for people to accept is that the life that they're currently living right now is the one that they feel that they're worth or what they deserve. That's it. If you feel like you're worth more, then do more. Put more effort into it. Make this decision the better, corrected decision versus the one that makes you feel comfortable and it's already part of a lazy habit. do something that's going to better serve you. So I had to drop that in there. I got to go. We have a U call at 12 o'clock Central Standard Time. Come join us. 30 minutes, all body weight, no equipment required. I am jazzed up, as you can tell. Make it a day worth repeating, and I'll talk to y'all soon. And if you want information on the sprint, or just to show up in one of our conversations and see how we're inspiring and creating consistency and having this sense of accountability, please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, because I'll be more than happy to invite you in so you can hear what we're talking about. Talk to you soon. Let's go.